What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y7 2K18 model and the Honor 7X. So let me tell you a few of the specifications of both the devices. The Y7 is having Snapdragon 430 processor and it is having 3GB of RAM, and the Honor 7X is having 4GB of RAM and it is running on Kirin 659 processor. And in this video we will be comparing both these smartphones. I usually do my speed test in two rounds. In the first round we will be having a look at the speed of both the devices, and that will be known by the clock, and we will be just analyzing the time taken by each device to complete the first round, to load all the set of these applications, which are almost 15 plus applications to load, and we will note the time taken by each device. And in the second round we will be doing the RAM management test, and for that we will be checking if these applications are running in the background in both the devices or not. So without any further delay, let's get started. And right away you can see there is no app running in the background, and let's start over stopwatch in both these devices. Huawei devices have now improved quite a lot, and there have been incredible improvements in their speed. So right now we are going almost head to head in both the devices. Actually the Y7 is actually moving a bit faster, and the Honor 7X is a bit behind that device, but everything will be just seen when this first round ends. And right now we are on the lab set on Huawei Y7, and we are about to retrieve a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip on both the devices, and let's see how much time does it take. Actually it's doing it a bit slow, and let's see how much time does it take on 7X. And 7X has just completed it in a moment, and both the devices have not come to head now. And let's see what happens on Amazon, and it was quick on 7X. And we are on the gaming section on both the devices now, and let's see which device opens the games faster now. And Honor 7X is actually going a bit faster here. It has catched up where it was missing on the Facebook and YouTube, and you can see the Honor 7X has loaded the Temple Run 2, and we are on to the next game, which is the color switch. And this first round is just about to complete in both the devices, and Honor 7X is now on pinout, and Honor Y7 is on color switch, and it is also moving to pinout. Actually for Snapdragon 430 processor, that is a great optimization by Huawei to use its software very well. And you can see Honor 7X has completed its first round, and it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 38 seconds. 7 Prime 2K18 is also about to complete its first round, and we are on the final application, which is Asphalt 8, and let's see how much time does it take. Actually it is taking a lot of time to load this application, and Honor 7X was very fast to open this application, and it has just loaded it. And let's have a look on the time taken by this device in the first round, and it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 55 seconds. So there is a difference of 17 seconds in both the devices to load these first set of applications. And now let's move to the next round, which is the RAM management test, and let's see if all the applications are running in the background or not. See, right now both the devices are going great. They have kept the pre-installed applications open in the background, and let's see what happens on Facebook and YouTube. They are also kept in the background. That's very great to see, and everything is present in both the devices in the background. I am very much amazed to see the performance of Y7 2K18 model, that it is so well optimized that everything is running in the background and it does not have to reload the things. Actually the pinout is reloading again, you can clearly see, and it is running on the 7X already. And let's see what happens on Asphalt 8, and it is present in the 7X, and it is also present in the Y7. That's very incredible. And you can see the time taken by each device. The Y7 2K18 has taken a time of 2 minutes and 35 seconds, while the Honor 7X has taken a time of 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So there is actually a difference of time between both the devices, which almost comes out to be 20 seconds. Second round in both the devices was almost very close. There was no lag and no application was reloading again. One application in Y7 Prime reloaded again, and that was pinout, and all other applications were present in the background, and there was no lag and no application was refreshed in both the devices. And only the difference stays in the first round, which is of almost 17 seconds, and in the second round they were almost close to each other. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both the devices, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.